Welcome to Mumbai, the city that never sleeps. Today, we embark on a cinematic journey to explore the incredible, and sometimes overwhelming, growth story of this vibrant Indian metropolis. Known as the City of Dreams, Mumbai is more than just a city. It's a dynamic ecosystem of opportunity, ambition, and relentless urban expansion. Its transformation over the centuries is truly remarkable. Observe the sprawling cityscape. This relentless growth has cemented Mumbai's status as one of the world's most populous and influential urban centers. Mumbai stands proudly as the financial and commercial capital of India. From banking and international trade to media and high finance, this city drives the nation's economy. We are here to analyze the statistics behind this growth. Mumbai's expansion is characterized by rapid population surges and concentrated economic development, pushing the limits of urban planning. To understand today's growth, we must look back. Mumbai's development is rooted in distinct historical phases, starting long before it became the modern megalopolis we know. The city began as a cluster of 7 islands. Its name transformation from Bombay to Mumbai reflects its journey through colonial influence to modern Indian identity. Early growth was fundamentally driven by its strategic location. The establishment of a major port, the booming textile industry, and pivotal global trade routes laid the foundation for its economic future. Following India's independence, Mumbai experienced an unprecedented surge in urbanization. This period marked a critical shift in the scale and speed of the city's growth. Driven by opportunity, millions migrated to Mumbai, transforming it into a dense urban labyrinth. The sheer influx of people fueled the population boom. Let's put that migration into perspective. From the mid-20th century, population figures climbed dramatically, making it a truly global city. The irresistible pull of Mumbai lies in its robust and diverse economy. It is a magnet for talent and investment from across the country. The core sectors are high finance, anchored by leading institutions, the world-renowned phenomenon of Bollywood, and increasingly, the thriving IT and digital industries. The modern architecture of the Bandra Kurla complex. These new business districts symbolize the city's shift towards global corporate prominence. To accommodate both economic and population growth, Mumbai has had to continuously expand its physical boundaries and revolutionize its infrastructure. Projects like the Bandra-Worli Sea Link, the expansive metro network, and the development of Navi Mumbai are crucial solutions to decongest the island city. The cranes dotting the skyline and the massive flyovers illustrate the sheer scale of modern development, a testament to Mumbai's unrelenting ambition. What does the future hold for this titan of a city? The growth rate remains significant, though now focused on sustainable, integrated development. Current projections show continued strong growth, but future success hinges on optimizing urban living and leveraging smart city technology. However, growth brings challenges. Addressing traffic congestion, battling pollution, and bridging the gap between skyscrapers and densely populated areas remain priorities for the city's planners. Mumbai's story is one of resilience, ambition, and perpetual motion. It is a city that never stops building, dreaming, and growing. From beginnings to a global megalopolis, Mumbai's growth trajectory is a powerful narrative of urban India, a true city of opportunity.